Hi guys, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. It's a 2018 model. It's got the oversized propane tanks, which is nice. Your protection up front from rock chips. A nice storage area under here. Lots of storage. Pre-wired for solar. Nice solid step entry. The slide does go out a little further. It's not quite out all the way because we've got quite a few trailers in here, but this is a nice big dinette, nice big couch, huge entertainment center, lots of counter space, lots of storage. It's a double bunk. Nice big pantry. Look at all that storage. That is a ton of storage. That's really a nice feature. You got your bathroom and your back door, which is nice. Skylight in there as well, give you a little extra headroom. Double bunk beds. Let's head back to the back of the bedroom. And we got a nice big bedroom back here. Lots of storage. I like the open storage up above. That's kind of nice, so you can put a lot of blankets or pillows or linens, whatever kind of stuff up there too. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here in Guaranty, please don't hesitate to give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.